The O-ring is used to seal your grinder's spindle assembly to the gear case housing. The O-ring fits tightly around the spindle housing and seals against the gear case. The O-ring keeps the gear case lubricant from leaking from the housing. Over time, the O-ring can fail and break. This will cause oil to leak from the gear case. Replacing the O-ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the grinder's spindle assembly. With the spindle assembly removed, I have access to the O-ring. I'll go ahead and remove it. And install the new O-ring. The O-ring fits in the groove around the spindle housing. Now I can reinstall the spindle assembly. I'll align it so the tab is pointing towards the back of the grinder. And I'll secure it with the screws. And now you know how to replace the O-ring in your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.